In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of your YouTube recap not showing up. YouTube Recap is a fun feature that lets you look back on your year of watching, highlighting your favorite creators, music, and moments. But sometimes, users find that the recap is missing. If that's happened to you, don't worry. I'm here to help you troubleshoot, and hopefully get your recap appearing just as it should. First, let's start by making sure you're signed in to your correct YouTube account. YouTube Recap is tied to your account activity, so you'll need to be logged in to the account you use most frequently for watching videos. If you aren't sure, double-check by clicking your profile picture in the top right corner of the YouTube homepage and confirming the email address you're logged in with. Next, it's important to know that YouTube Recap is only available to users who have a sufficient amount of watch history. If you don't watch many videos or use YouTube infrequently, you might not meet the eligibility requirements for a recap. Make sure your watch history is turned on as well. You can check this by going to your YouTube history settings and ensuring that Pause Watch History is disabled. If your watch history has been paused, YouTube may not have enough data to generate a recap for you. If you're sure that you've watched enough content and your history is active, but your recap still isn't showing, try clearing your browser cache or restarting your app. Sometimes, cached data or a minor glitch can prevent new features or updates from appearing correctly. To do this, simply close out of YouTube and reopen it. Or, if you're using the mobile app, try logging out and logging back in. On web browsers, clearing the cache under your browser settings can often fix a wide variety of display issues. Remember, YouTube Recap is typically rolled out gradually, especially at the end of the year. It's possible that the feature hasn't reached your account just yet. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version, since some features only appear after updating. Go to your device's App Store, search for YouTube, and check if an update is available. Finally, if you've tried all these steps and still don't see your recap, it might be a region-specific rollout, or there could be technical limitations impacting your account. Keep an eye out by revisiting the recap page after a day or two. Thanks for watching. I hope these tips help you solve the issue and let you enjoy looking back at your favorite YouTube moments. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. See you in the next one.